Hey everyone! If you need a professional phone line for your app or business, Twilio makes it easy to provision numbers in seconds. But in 2026, there are a few extra compliance steps you need to know. Today, I'm showing you the full guide to buying and activating your Twilio number. Let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to Buy a Number. First, log in to your Twilio console. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Develop, then expand the Phone Numbers section. Click on Manage, and then select Buy a Number. This is where you'll find the global inventory of available digits. Now, use the search filters to find exactly what you need. Select your country and then check the boxes for the capabilities you require, like voice, SMS, or MMS. If you need a specific area code, type it into the search bar. Pro tip: always double-check that the number supports SMS if you're planning on sending texts, as some local numbers are voice only. Once you find a number you like, look at the monthly fee listed next to it. If it looks good, click the blue Buy button. A pop-up will appear summarizing the costs. Click Next to proceed. If you're using a trial account, Twilio will use your preloaded balance. Otherwise, it will charge your saved payment method. Here is the part you can't skip in 2026. For many countries, including the US for toll-free numbers, you now must provide a business registration number, like an EIN, or an address. If a prompt appears for regulatory compliance, click Create a Bundle and upload your documentation. Your number won't be fully active for messaging until this is approved, which usually takes about 3 business days. Step 5. Final configuration. Once the purchase is confirmed, your number will appear under Active Numbers. From here, you can point your webhook URL to your server or configure call forwarding. Your new virtual line is officially ready for action. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.